In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync Google Workspace with Outlook. The first thing you need to do is log into your Google Workspace account. Once you're in, go to the Google Workspace Marketplace. Search for sync.blue, a tool designed to connect Google Workspace with other services like Outlook. If you haven't installed it yet, click Install and follow the prompts. Next, open your browser and go to sync.blue. On the homepage, click Try for free to start setting up your account. Once you're on the sync.blue dashboard, click Create Connection. For the source, select Google Workspace, then confirm your choice. Now, add your second connection. Select Outlook from the list and confirm. This links the two platforms. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize both accounts and complete the synchronization. Once connected, your emails, calendar events, and contacts will sync between Google Workspace and Outlook. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.